All right. I'm so happy to have you on my video. Okay, now if you're new to my channel, if this is your first time watching me, please I encourage you to hit the notification button. Okay, and also subscribe at the same time. Okay, go to the comment box and leave a comment. All right, if this is informative, I want to have your response. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to be sharing on basic digital marketing skills that I believe that the average person should have. Okay, if you're a beginner, you need these skills. Okay, if you're watching me right now, I believe you want to know how to make money online. Okay, I believe that if you're watching me right now, I believe you want to know how to make money online. All right, and it's so important that you know the basic skills, because these are the basic skills that guarantees that you will make money online. Okay, now somebody is like, what is digital marketing? Because I said basic skills for digital marketing. All right, now what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simply a form of marketing that utilizes the internet, okay, and online digital platforms like your phone, your laptop, your desktop, your iPad, to promote and to sell products. Okay, and I believe that if you're watching me, you have a smartphone. Definitely, you must have a smartphone, and you must have noticed that the use of the smartphone, the use of technology is on the increase on a daily basis. All right, more especially after this during this pandemic, the use of the internet is on an increase. Okay, so also is the opportunity to make money online. All right, the possibility is there increasing to make money online. I often tell people, I said making money online is not rocket science. Okay, except if you're not serious. If you're serious, you can make money online, because like the other day I read something online. More than 4 billion people are online every minute. They hang out on Facebook, they hang out on Instagram, they hang out on YouTube, they hang out on LinkedIn, a whole lot of places where people hang out. And if you learn the basics, if you get the basics of appearing before these people with the right product, and you have the blueprint of promoting this product before them, I bet you making money online is very, very easy. All right, now there are about I'm gonna be listing about 7 basic digital marketing skills that sure will make you nothing less than $100 every day. All right, I'm going to be listing it out on this tutorial, and I want you to stay with me till the end of this tutorial, because it's going to change your status. It will be a game changer for you. I bet you this video is going to be a game changer for you. Okay, if you're new trying to make money online, this video is going to be a game changer for you. All right, now the number one digital marketing skill that you ought to have is you have to learn how to run ads online. Learn how to run ads. Okay, there are different type of ads out there. There's Facebook ad, there's Instagram ad, there's YouTube ad, which you also call Google ad. All right, whole lot of ads, but these three are the most basic. People hang out on Facebook, billions every minute hang out on Facebook, and if you have the blueprint to come before them, all right, with whatever thing you're promoting, you are sure of having their money in your pocket. All right, you're sure. Okay, so digital skill number 1, learn how to run ads. Okay, digital skill number 2, learn how to build a website. It's not difficult. In today's world, building a website is not difficult. All right, with the drag and drop formats, you can build a website. It's not like before, where you want to build a website, then you got to have programming skill, coding skill, and all the stuffs. But now it's quite easy. anybody who cares can build a website. All right, and of course there are there are companies out there, there are establishments out there who are providing those services, and all you need to do is just pay for your domain name, pay for your domain and the hosting, and you create your website and promote product on your website. All right, and alongside you can run a blog, okay, on your interest, what you love to do, and make money out of it. All right, number 3 skill is learn SEO. What is SEO? SEO is simply search engine optimization. All right, this is in search engine optimization, it helps you to rank your website. All right, learn SEO. I'm not going to be going deep in this, because this is not what this tutorial is. This is just an a brief. All right, you can go further to know what SEO mean. SEO simply means search engine optimization. You bring to help you to rank your website on Google. All right, each time that people go online to search for your niche, you should be able to be found online with SEO. All right, so I'm giving you a work right now. Go and find out some more details about SEO, how to do SEO. Now take a course. The number 4 skill is to take a course on copywriting. All right, take a course on copywriting. Learn how to do copywriting. What is copywriting? Copywriting is simply how to drive or how to whip up response using text. All right, how to wipe up use responses, have people respond to your product, have people buy from you using statements, using text. We see it everywhere. All right, copywriting is everywhere, on every product out there. Companies pay people to write short cliches behind on top of the product or on the product to move people to action to buy. All right, that is copywriting. Okay, now you have to have copywriting skill. You need to have it, and you can learn it on YouTube. You can learn it. You can buy a course to learn it if you have the money. If you don't have the money, you can go for copywriting tutorials on YouTube, and there are tons of out there on YouTube that you can learn how to do copywriting. All right. Skill number 5, learn graphic design. What is graphic design? Graphic design is simply manipulating pictures to create response, to move people to take action. And there are tons of graphic design tools out there. You can download them from Google Play Store, or you can download them from app markets, several app markets that are out there. All right, learn graphic design. If you're going to promote your product, if you're going to be able to sell your product, if you're going to be able to move your product to convert, if you're going to be able to generate traffic and generate leads, you have to have graphic design skill. Okay, because you're going to use your skill to manipulate pictures and videos, okay, to move people to take action. Skill number 5, have graphic design skill. All right, now skill number 6 is video editing skill. You must know how to edit video if you're going to be a good digital marketer. Okay, in this video I'm talking about basic digital marketing skills that will make you $100 every day for as a beginner if you're serious. All right, you got to know how to do video editing. There is money in video editing. All right, it is what easily converts people from buying from you these days. Okay, it's so important. Please, if what I'm saying, the informations I'm dishing out on this video, if they resonate with you, please, I want you to please leave a comment and hit the notification button. Subscribe to this channel right now. Please do that for me right now. All right, and last on my list of skills that you ought to have. Now, if you've been with me all along in this channel, you realize that every time I make mention of a particular program, all right, a fail-proof program, a done-for-you program, all right, that took me by the hand and showed me how to make money online. Folks, I make money online, all right? And that's why I can make videos on YouTube teaching you how you also can make money online. My joy is to teach you how to make money online. My joy is when you make money like me online, all right? That is my joy. Okay, now I'm going to be leaving below this video, I'm going to be leaving a link, the 72 IG implementation program. All right, if you want to learn how to make money online, if you want to learn digital marketing, online marketing, this program will take you by the hand and show you one by one how to do it, how to create your website, all right, how to create your landing page, all right, how to run ad on Facebook, all right, how to do copywriting, all right, to teach you copywriting that converts. Okay, now I'm leaving the link of this very program below this video. Okay, please click on that link and get that training. All right, the 72 IG implementation system